Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get material in PUBG. Materials are a vital resource in PUBG Mobile, primarily used for upgrading your favorite weapon skins to unlock new effects and appearances. Collecting enough materials can be a bit of a grind, but by focusing on specific methods, you can significantly speed up the process. We'll cover the most effective ways to acquire these valuable items, ensuring you make the most of your playtime. One of the primary ways to obtain materials is through opening various in-game crates. Classic and premium crates frequently offer material fragments, and sometimes even full materials, as rewards. Keep an eye on lucky spins and other special draws, as these often feature materials as grand prizes or secondary rewards. It's wise to save your crate coupons and unknown cash for events that boost the chances of getting these valuable upgrade items. Don't overlook the power of in-game events and achievements. PUBG Mobile regularly hosts seasonal and limited-time events that generously reward players with materials for participation. Make sure to complete your daily and weekly missions, as these often provide event currency or direct material drops. Additionally, explore the achievement section. Some long-term goals offer substantial material rewards once completed, giving you another consistent source. Finally, the in-game shop and salvaging system are key. Occasionally, the shop will feature materials available for purchase, either with G-coins or unknown cash, so check it regularly. A very effective method is salvaging duplicate legendary items you no longer need. This process converts them into material fragments. Once you have enough fragments, you can combine them to create full materials, ready to be used for those exciting weapon skin upgrades.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.